In horror movies, different knives are used for different scenes. Rubber knives are used to prevent actors from getting hurt, especially during running or chasing scenes. I think I get the point. Knives are dulled to prevent injury and are used for a more realistic look in close-up shots. A retractable knife is specially made to hide half the knife in the blade. It's specifically used for stabbing scenes. Why not take a stab at it? A bleeder knife is made by attaching tubes in the knife and filling the bulb with blood for realistic cut scenes. They're having a bloody good time, aren't they? Ever wonder how vampire scenes are shot? Actors use retractable fangs and a blood pill in their mouth. Now that's something I can sink my teeth into. Ever wonder how gun scenes are done in movies? A rigged blood bag is used, made from condoms filled with corn syrup that is mixed with red and blue food colouring. Taped to the body with a washer attached to a fishing wire. I'm gushing over this effect. Ever wonder how prop masters make fake guts in horror movies? Fake intestines can be made using cling wrap, scar wax and cotton. Then is soaked with fake blood and is rolled up together. For believable intestines in horror movies, looks like someone's hungry. How do actors eat maggots on camera? First, we'll need gelatin mixture. Add milk. Then inject it into a silicone grub mold to get the shape and consistency of maggots. Scrumptious. Ever wonder how movies make things look old and dusty? A mixture of charcoal and baby powder is used. This is a powder duster. I'm blown away. A fake spider web, perfect for creating spooky vibes. I bet this place is haunted. This is a fake blood puddle, made up of flexible urethane rubber mixture. It helps cut down on cleanups when filming. Makes me want to scream bloody murder. And remember, it's all just play. Which horror movie secret surprised you the most?